Penguins are often imagined as exclusive residents of the icy wilderness of Antarctica, waddling across vast expanses of snow and diving into frigid waters. This picturesque image, however, isn't entirely accurate. Many species of penguins thrive far from the frozen landscapes, living in temperate and even tropical regions. The Galapagos penguin, for instance, resides near the equator, basking in the sun on rocky shores and fishing in warm currents. Their presence in such unlikely habitats challenges the stereotype of penguins as creatures of eternal winter. It is a testament to the incredible adaptability of wildlife, a reminder that nature rarely conforms to our simplified narratives. Goldfish, the quintessential pet of childhood memories, are often misunderstood as simple creatures with a memory span lasting no more than 3 seconds. This assumption has persisted for decades, cementing goldfish in popular culture as the forgetful inhabitants of glass bowls. Yet scientific research paints a very different picture. Goldfish have demonstrated an ability to retain information for months, learning to recognize patterns, navigate complex mazes, and even associate specific cues with rewards. Their cognitive abilities reveal a level of intelligence that remains largely unappreciated, proving that even the smallest and simplest creatures can surprise us with hidden depths. The Great Wall of China is often described as the only man-made structure visible from space, a claim so widespread it feels like an undisputed fact. Yet this is a myth. While the Great Wall is undoubtedly a marvel of engineering, stretching over 13,000 miles, its relatively narrow width and earthy tones make it nearly indistinguishable from the natural terrain surrounding it. Astronauts have confirmed that, from the vastness of outer space, even this iconic structure becomes invisible to the naked eye. This misconception reminds us how myths can take root in the public consciousness, overshadowing the more nuanced truths. Chameleons have long fascinated people with their ability to change colors, a skill often thought to serve as a means of camouflage. While blending into their surroundings is one function of this ability, it is far from the whole story. The primary reason chameleons change colors lies in communication. They use their shifting hues to signal their mood, assert dominance, or attract a mate. For instance, brighter colors might indicate aggression or courtship, while muted tones suggest submission or contentment. The mechanism behind this transformation is just as extraordinary as its purpose, involving layers of specialized skin cells that manipulate light. This ability reflects the complexity of animal behavior, which is often far more intricate than it first appears. Sharks have captured human imagination as silent, stealthy hunters of the deep, gliding through oceans without a sound. This image has been reinforced by countless documentaries and films. However, some shark species defy this stereotype. The cookie-cutter shark, for example, produces low-frequency sounds that researchers believe may serve as a means of communication or even as a defense mechanism to confuse predators. These vocalizations hint at a side of sharks rarely explored, a social and interactive aspect of their behavior that contradicts their reputation as solitary and voiceless predators. In the vast and mysterious underwater world, there is always more to discover, and even the most well-known creatures hold secrets waiting to be unraveled.